central Wisconsin, eastern Marathon County in central Wisconsin, southwestern Langlade County in north central Wisconsin, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:26 p.m., a cluster of severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Altigo to 9 miles northeast of Wausau, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Altigo around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Eckland Wildlife Area, Gun Lake, Polar, Kempster, Ormsby, Peters Marsh Wildlife Area, Deerbrook, and Elton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following county: Marathon, Wisconsin. The following is a severe weather bulletin. The National Weather Service in Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Marathon County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wausau, moving southeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wausau, Weston, and this mountain around 4:05 p.m. Bevan around 4:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Hetland, Ringgold, Camp Phillips Scout Camp, Pike Lake, Schofield, Wood Mountain State Park, Evergreen, and Rothschild. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Marathon, Green Bay has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Marathon County in central Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. 4:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Mosinee, or 10 miles south of Wausau, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The storm has a history of producing hail up to golf ball size. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mosinee around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Hetland, Camp Phillips Scout Camp, Moon, Schofield, Rocky Corners, Rid Mountain State Park, Milton, Evergreen, and Rothschild. 40%. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Marathon, Wisconsin. 20 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicator. Impact. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern North County, including the following locations: County and Capitol Road, Cheers, Grafton, Lynn, and the Cunningham Airfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Clark, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jackson County and west central Wisconsin until 8 p.m. At 6:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Shortville or 13 miles southeast of Neillsville, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, $half size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Jackson County, including the following locations: Bear Bluff Township, Prairie, and City Point. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties: Jackson, Wisconsin,